Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Namaskar. Back again because last video was disrupted after 4 minutes. This is Inya Suraj Singh speaking from Bharat, India on September 18, 2021, Saturday, 3:47 a.m. Quality safety issues along with COVID-19 and role of engineers in title being Civil Field Engineering is Life, Civil Field Engineering Life, Quality AnnexSL, COVID-19, SHE, Engineer's Role, Design, Construction, Methods, Contracts, Organizations, Communication, Coordination, and YB behind quality of standard material, which is basics of our requirement. Already I have shown certificates. Again, these are here for reference only. We got some meaning with these, and we should understand meaning behind that. These are not simply certificates. This is life. This is, you say, public trust this, public believe this, public all over the world believe these certificates, that this must be professional certificates, and professionals must do job professionally. Professionals must do job professionally. That is a good trust I can understand, we can create. But our duty is not just trust. That trust should continue, and that can continue only when we think of good material, good properties of material, good testing of material, and to ensure that whatever is prescribed, whatever is specified, whatever is expected of performance by material in a safe condition, in a reliable condition, in acceptable limits, that should be delivered. Terms can be many. We can add many terms. No use if you don't understand meaning of those terms. As I said, production, method, quality, testing, properties, everything. We know everything. We are engineers. Our colleagues in field who may not be engineers, but they have pragmatism, experience based. They know what is to be done, but they do not know what is required to be done. You got my point? They know what is to be done, but they do not know what is required to be done. There's a difference. What is to be done, because they have been doing that. Every time they do something, with some variations of course. But what is to be done, what is required to be done, that they do not know. Because they do not know what is contract, what is specification. That you know as engineer, you know as director, you know as leader. It's your duty to make sure that is affected, that is carried out through them, by them. But if you do not know that, you just stay in that position, maybe consultant, maybe manager of works, maybe organizer of contractor, maybe quality person, in whatever capacity you work, in whatever sector. It is fundamentally, it is by law, it is by contract, and it is by moral on top of that. That is engineering moral. It's your duty to ensure what is done meets requirement. I will ask all engineers, you are well qualified, you are well theoretically oriented, nobody can deny this fact. How do you value field work? I mean to say physical work, mechanical work, work that is transformed from your very good designs into real activities, into real work production. Have you ever linked yourself to that? First responsibility goes to designer, and then follow-up responsibility goes to person who works on site or who works in production. There are set methods in production, There are set methods in manufacturing. Even then there can be lapse. Every organization has got certain systems approved by certain third party, or we can say registrar of quality systems, under set agreements at international level. But do you think getting certificates meets requirement? Just like our certificates, do they meet requirement? It's just notification, nothing else. These certificates, documents are just notification, and these notifications for sure says that this person is perfect within this limit. This person is professional within this limit. But that limit should be well understood. That limit should be used for purpose of production, for purpose of, you can say, manufacturing. And I think most important is construction products. Construction involves all disciplines of engineering, all branches of engineering. It's not, you can say, just construction. It is interactive construction, it is interdisciplinary construction. It's very important construction, because construction product cannot be, you can say, replaced in couple of years. It cannot be replaced by guarantee or warranty. It has to function, it has to serve for long duration. It's not mechanical product or electrical product that you can say change this tube or bulb. It is just 1 year warranty or 2 year warranty. It's not like that. Same way, mechanical product can be said, okay, this is spare part, use it when this doesn't work, previous one doesn't work, original one doesn't work. Or this machine is meant only for a couple of years, you replace it, you replace this generator, or you can say in automobile sector, replace this car, remove this car, or you can say sell this car for final disposal in 5 years or 10 years. Such products are very short in life. Electrical product, mechanical product, or you can say even some big machines like excavator, rock hammer, shovel, which are very expensive, but they have limited life. Only construction products, I'm not saying exclusively civil based, construction products, for example, you can say facilities plants which cost many billions of dollars, or you can say billions rupees, or whatever currency you can say, where many lakhs cubic meter of concrete is involved, thousands and thousands of tons of steel reinforcement, and you can say steel, structural steel are involved. Those products cannot be accepted just for few years. Buildings are involved, RCC is involved, structural steel is involved, railway line is involved, dams are involved, canals are involved. We cannot say that this can be replaced in a couple of years. There is no way. 70% of our budget is allotted towards such development works, and we have to keep in mind that construction is very economical if it is meant for 100 years, 50 years. Otherwise, if it is defective, it's very expensive. If it's substandard, it's very expensive. That point we have to keep in mind if we want to really serve as professional engineers. It's really not correct that we don't keep this in mind. Civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, fundamentally, basically by birth, they are same family. They belong to same family. Civil engineer or civil engineering gives you a base on which is mounted services